Hello everyone, welcome back for another Altburg Market painting session. In this episode, I'll be painting the healer with bright colors to clearly show that he is a magic user. To add some more complexity, I'll also explain a simple technique, create an object source lighting effect. This technique is also known as OSL. I want to include this model in the diorama I'm preparing for the next Tabletop World annual painting competition. This model was designed and 3D printed by Tiny Furniture. I've already cleaned and primed the model in black. As usual, I start by painting the skin, and I'm gonna show you all the paint colors that I use. Also, I'd like to hear from you, so feel free to ask questions or leave me a message in the comments. Then I apply a vibrant base coat to the healer's clothes. Use colors that evoke a sense of magic. Purples, blues, or greens work well. You could also choose warmer colors like red, orange, or yellow. For the purpose of this example, the important thing will be to select a contrasting color for the potion. It will be easier to make the object source lighting effect stand out if the potion color contrasts with the clothes. So if you choose cold colors for the clothes, it's better to use a warm color for the potion, or vice versa. Paint the clothes in warm colors if you prefer the potion to be of a cold color. To emphasize the magical aura of the healer, I mix a lighter shade of the base colors with other colors and carefully apply it to the raised areas of the clothes. This creates a subtle gradient, making the magic appear to emanate from within. In the approach I wish to show you, the model must be fully painted before applying the OSL. For the potion, I chose a flamboyant orange. I first paint the vial in white. This will help to obtain a lighter, brighter orange. Once the white paint is completely dry, I glaze the orange color over it. Compared to the color of the clothes, this color is at the opposite side on the color wheel. It will contrast well with the cold colors. I dilute the paint with water so that it is milky, not too thick so that it stays opaque, and not too liquid so that it leaks uncontrollably. For a smooth effect, the paint should leave a thin film of color on the white surface. It will be useful to master this technique for the next step. We can apply thin successive layers to paint the entire potion, leaving its central part paler. It's a bit like a reverse highlight. We already have a light color, and we add more layers by glazing the surfaces that are in the shadows. This makes them more opaque and cover more of the white undercoat. Now let's bring the magic to life with object source lighting. Obviously, in our case, the source of light is the potion. So using a very light color, we're gonna highlight the surrounding area from this point of origin. This highlight should be more pronounced near the potion and gradually fade away from it. After, we use the glazing technique that we practice on the potion to taint the white highlight that we have just created. With the same color used on the potion, we lightly glaze the highlighted areas to simulate the reflection of the magic light emanating from the vial. To achieve a convincing effect, the areas closest to the potion must be lighter. The light is more intense there. It's important to create a gradual blending to achieve a natural look. Finally, we add a little more light into the mix. Since my light source is orange, I mix yellow into it to create a lighter tone. I'll also apply it to the clothes around the vial. Once again, remember that it's crucial to take your time and apply thin layers. This will help create a gradual blending, ensuring the successful production of a natural-looking effect. Be careful not to saturate the area by applying a light effect that is too opaque. For all your hobby needs, check out Fenris Workshop, link in the description. And there you have it. Our healer is ready to enchant the game table or take part in a diorama. Feel free to experiment with colors and OSL placement to match your creative vision. If you found this technique useful, give the video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and consider subscribing for more painting sessions. Also, let me know, have you ever tried OSL before? If so, do you use the same approach? In the next episode of this series, we'll be painting the other elements of the healer stall, all to be incorporated into the cottage diorama I've been working on this year. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep on painting and let the magic flow. Take care.